Hi everyone and welcome to another useless unboxing. Today I received a package from a company named Kukumis Sativus. This is not a sponsored video, so you can expect constructive criticism against this particular product. We can see how well they pack their product. Wow, very nice. Very strict presentation of the product. Comes in a special bag that you can carry with you everywhere. It is waterproof, so all the technology parts will be well protected even if you decide to go for hiking under the heavy rain. There is a lock as well for completely sealing the bag. This particular unit comes with the set of Cucumber Plus Tail and Cucumber Super Tail portable charger. Let's first review the Cucumber Plus. I think in America they call it Cucumber Fat, but I ordered it directly from Mars, so it came as a Cucumber Plus. At first touch, feels very solid. On the top you can find the advertised Earth connection ports, same on the bottom. Let's see the Cucumber Tail model. As it was announced during the presentation, you get the mini tail coming out from one of the Earth connectors that you can wiggle like that. And the last but not least, Cucumber Super Tail portable charger. In my opinion, awesome innovation. Never seen this before on similar devices. You can easily carry it with you without thinking of losing it, thanks to quick jeans connection feature. Just look at the tail difference between Cucumber Tail model and Cucumber Super Tail. Wow, I'm really impressed. Now let's see how durable they are. First let's test Cucumber Plus. Cuts are barely visible, but in a close look you will be able to spot them. Now tail model. Yeah, so as expected, this model is less protective because of the tail, so I'm not surprised with the result. Super Tail model, as expected, is more protective because of the longer Earth connector. There is some scratches, but you can barely notice them. And finally, let's check the Super Sync connection feature of the Super Tail model. Very fast synchronizing system with both Cucumber Plus and Cucumber Tail model. Although this is new announced feature, it looks very promising to me and I'm sure to millions of other customers around the world. So that's it for this review. Hope it will help you if you decide to get this set. Leave a comment if you'd like to see more of this kind of latest technology review and see you in the next video.